This afternoon, I decided to finally organize my closet, because a tidy space would help me focus on the project I needed to finish. I pulled everything out and found a box of old photos, so I sat down to look through them for just a second. And I found pictures from a trip I'd completely forgotten about, which reminded me I never uploaded those vacation photos to my computer. So I went to get my laptop and noticed the battery was dead. I plugged it in, and while I waited, I figured I'd sort through my desk drawer since I was already cleaning anyway. I found receipts from 3 years ago and a gift card I didn't know I had, so I checked the balance online. It still had $20, which meant I could finally order that book I'd been wanting. And while I was on the website, I saw they were having a sale on notebooks. I'd been meaning to start journaling again, because that would definitely help me be more productive with my project. So I added a few to my cart, and then I remembered I needed to update my shipping address because I'd moved last year, and that reminded me I still hadn't changed my address on my insurance documents. So I called the company and spent 40 minutes on hold, listening to elevator music. When I finally got through, they said I could just do it online, which I did. And then I noticed I had 17 unread emails. So I started going through those, unsubscribing from newsletters I never read anymore, because a clean inbox would help me concentrate on my project later. I got hungry, so I made a sandwich, and while I was eating, I scrolled through my phone and saw an article about productivity hacks. I read that because it seemed relevant. It mentioned something about cleaning your workspace, improving focus, which reminded me I'd left everything pulled out of my closet. So I went back, and by then it was evening. I was pretty tired from all that organizing and decision making, so I decided I'd start fresh on my project tomorrow when I had more energy. I turned on a podcast and folded laundry instead, because at least I was being somewhat productive. And I made sure to set 3 alarms for the morning so I could wake up early and actually get my project done.